Taxes are the mandatory contributions we pay to fund government services like schools, roads, and public safety. Let's look at how they work. At its simplest, taxation is the method governments use to collect revenue from individuals and businesses to support public infrastructure. Most workers see a portion of their paycheck go toward FICA taxes, which fund our social safety nets for retirement and healthcare. Governments tax different activities, ranging from the income you earn at your job to the physical property you own or sell. Not all taxes are equal. Progressive systems increase rates as you earn more, whereas flat taxes apply the same percentage to every dollar. Ever wonder where the money goes? A significant portion of federal tax revenue is directed toward mandatory programs like Social Security and healthcare. Understanding how taxes function helps you make better financial decisions. Always keep records of your income and eligible deductions. Thanks for tuning in. Check with a tax professional regarding your specific situation. This video is educational content, not financial advice.